welcome back. It's been a while, I must admit, and boy am I looking forward to this. I need it, I really do. First up, get rid of that wood, get my wood out. Don't really want to burn pine. Keep these hessian bags just for that, so I can carry wood in the cab or in the canopy and not get dirty. Handy little tip. Well, I'm not going to make this any nice. Sorry, clean the lens. I haven't set the rooftop up in a good month. We've had a few good rains, but she is wet inside. It's just condensation, mildew, and there's a little bit of mould on the canvas, which I'm going to have to fix. Ah, shit. Lucky I got wet ones to wipe it all down, pull it all apart, dry it out before I go to bed. This isn't fun, but that's part of camping, isn't it? I should have set it up before I left. Oh well, let's give it a clean. I won't bore you with this. I'll come back once I've cleaned it. See ya. Alright, it's all done. Dried inside, cleaned. Bed's drying a little bit in the sun, condensation mat. Lucky I had that. It'll be a lot worse. Cleaned all the little mould spots that were on it, got rid of them, so that's all good. This happens to a lot of them. My bad for keeping it shut for 2 months, but these things happen in life. Hopefully it doesn't come back. Might get some rid mould stuff or something and give her a little clean after this trip. We'll see. They do forecast rain tomorrow, so Don't know when I'll do it. Might take it off the roof and put it in the garage and do it. Fun and games. Anyway, let's sit down and just enjoy it. Oh, pick me rubbish up first. Well, as you can see, the sun's starting to get down. More shadows from the trees. It's going to get a bit cool. I think I might get the fire going. It'll be a beautiful night. Sleeping up in the penthouse up there. Doesn't get much better. It's a pity the creek's not flowing fully. It's flowing a little bit, but not enough to hear it flow. So all night all I'll hear is trees creaking, the wind blowing, and the animals. In the morning it'll be the birds. I'll probably hear the odd bit of traffic because the road's not that far over that way. Still a fair way, but you know, when it's night, sound travels. So I'm expecting that to pick up in about a couple of hours and go for an hour, and then that will die off. I am looking forward to this. I'm not doing no flash dinner. I'm just going to sit here and enjoy the fire, have a couple of snacks. Gotta say, I just got the Ryobi ripper saw out. Just cut this little stump down because it was sticking up. And it's right where I walked down. I've already hit my toes on it once. It's not right down, but it's down enough. But that thing's a weapon. I cut all this wood with it, which you would have seen earlier. Don't need a chainsaw now, just use that. Perfect. Thanks to the wife for the present. Oh man, what a beautiful spot. amongst all the peppy trees, pine trees and gum trees. Bird life's a bit quiet right now, but I'm guessing they'll come out a bit more as the sun sets fully. Might be lucky and get some good coals soon, or in a little while. Cook the billy. Have a nice hot chocolate. Just like that, the rooftop tent gets a smoking ceremony. It's been a good rooftop, I must admit. Gets smoked out a fair bit. Right, legs are getting too cold. Threw some trackies on just to warm up. I have to get dinner soon. I really can't be bothered. Don't know what to have. Didn't bring much. I only just bought a few things. Just a basic overnighter. Just to get away, clear the head. Enjoy nature at its best.